So firstly, if you can give us some details about the new product assembly line that you have in the market. So, what's new that you're
Yeah,
presenting?
good question. Actually, we typically get this asked every show, every event that we do. What's new from Renishaw? Indeed, we have something new to offer to the marketplace. There has been a demand from Renishaw that what are you doing in terms of automation. So what you see here in this stand, it's a launch actually, as you would have seen that we have launched new solutions here. So we call it as we are automating the automation. That's the theme here. You see robots being used widely in different applications, in machining area, in inspection area, many areas. Robots are being used for pick and place, for loading, unloading, for welding, hundreds of applications where now customers are looking for more precision. And even, it's not only the end customer, they're looking for these kind of solutions which are on display. Whether the OEMs, the actually companies who make robots like Fanuc, Yaskawa, ABB, and Mitsubishi and all, they are the manufacturers of this equipment. Then there are system integrators who are integrating these robots into the customer place for various applications. And then lastly, the end customer. So all these three sources of automation, they are looking for a better reliability of this automation cell that they are using. They're looking to recover if there are any accidents, and they're also looking to reduce the skills. You can't have skills, and you can't keep adding people. So all these three areas we can help with these solutions. So that's what we are. That's what you can see here on this time.
So this is like for the first time that you're launching such a
Yes,
product.
yes.
So what is the kind of plans that you have? How do you plan to integrate? Which are the new markets that you're looking at?
As I said, this is new to this market. This is relatively new from Renishaw. We have been talking about these solutions in other part of the market, but now we are bringing this to India, because this is the place where these kind of solutions will be more required. And we have now team in place. We have recruited people on board. We have people who have experience in robotic application, from application as well as technical. And now we started working with the OEMs, and we'll be slowly talking to the integrators. We've been showing the demonstrations, basically showing to the required people what it means to them. And that's how we are moving into the marketplace right now.
Right. So what are the new initiatives that you have planned for the next coming 1 year?
Yeah, see, while we continue to promote our available technologies, we are known in the marketplace for the industrial metrology. So that there we will continue to take initiatives, because our wider applications solutions are basically into industrial metrology, whether it is automotive, engineering, precision manufacturing, aerospace, medical, now electronics manufacturing, and also the upcoming semiconductor sector. So that will continue. Will continue to grow and continue to work with the customers in that area. Now these solutions, plus what you see on my right hand side, the encoder solutions. Basically they are motion control devices. Has a huge applications. Anywhere you want to control the motion, those encoders are required, whether optical, magnetic. That's a new. There are plenty of new opportunities for us to work with. So we're going to focus more on that, as well as on the front of our stand, our equator gauge, which has been in the market for more than 10 years now. It is gaining a lot of momentum now. So you will see, if you go to shop floors, you will see equator being used on the shop floor for measuring the components after they have machined it. And there's a massive possibility of increasing that business in the country, because customers are looking to have the metrology on the shop floor, metrology at the point of manufacturing. So this requirement is increasing across all the sectors. So we are focusing on that, and strengthened our team. We have also established technology centers in different important places. We had a new technology center in Chennai. We have renewed, we have innovated our Pune Technology Center. Bangalore, we have Technology Center. We're doing now Baroda, and Delhi we already have. We will expand that in future. So making sure that we are closer to customer, and we are closer to customers, and solving their problems at locally. They don't have to really approach us at the central place. So we are now close to 100 people in India to support this market, and we'll continue to grow.
Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you.